Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Got another unboxing here to do, and this one is, well, let me open up and I'll tell you why I got it. So let me dig out my everyday carry here, and that one open. There we go. Really hadn't planned on getting this particular type thing, but I did anyways. So what this is a stainless steel covered garden hose. Let me get rid of this box. I don't know why everyone likes me tossing the box so much, but yeah, it feels good too. Let me get this back out. Open this up here. Open the bag up. So what this is, taking apart. There we go. Oh, all sorts of goodies in here I wasn't expecting to get. All right, so this is a 25-foot garden hose fitting on both ends. Ooh, cool. This has a all right, hang on. So this has an adapter here. Ah, so that's what it is, this compression fitting on it. Okay, so that's what this piece is here. This is, I thought it was adapting from 1/2 inch, but no, it's a compression fitting on here that holds this into that. So let me put that back on. So that's not something to be loosened up. So I'll make sure those stay tight. And yeah, this one here though does spin on it, and this one takes off the other end. It does the same thing. So even though the threads don't move, the female thread portion does. So let me get this back together here tight. There. All right. So bonus thing I got here, I got a on-off valve here. And Teflon tape, which is, you don't put Teflon tape on garden hose fittings because you got the little rubber gaskets here, and I got an extra gasket. In this one, I got 3 extra gaskets here. Hey, they sent me lots of little gaskets. I love it. This one here has a, so you got your on and off here, but they gave me another on and off, so don't know. I might get, get one of the little straight nozzles and put on here, use that. And this has, let's see, a flat, soaker, cone, rinse. Not sure if that's supposed to be almost full or jet. Looks more like jet. Shower, vertical, angle, center, mist, back around the flat. Yeah, so that rinse is the jet. But the reason I got this for is because this was one of the properties that listed as being for, could also be used for high temperature. Because it's, you know, got the stainless steel cover on it to help keep everything intact. What I got this for is because of the snow around here. I like this, and I don't like this already. You can try tying it in a knot, and it's not going to kink on you, but to roll it up, you got to keep it. It wants to be, you know, untangled so it rolls up right. So what I got this for is on the back side of the house here, where I got the cover for the patio built on. So I got the patio roof like this, and I have the roof of the house like this. So this goes up above it and overlaps it a little bit. And I got the heat tape up and down on the roof of the house, going up about that far up the house. And then I got the gutter there with heat tape in it, and I got extra heat tape going on top. But what happens is 90% of the time during the wintertime, the snow, the wind's blowing this way, so it blows the snow off the front, up over, and then it just drops at the back. So it drops more snow at the bottom edge here than it does anywhere else on the roof. That was even before I put the cover on. That's why I put the patio cover up higher, so I and put all the heat tape up on it, was try to handle that. Well, when we've got heavy snows out there, it still builds up, and what happens is the heat tape will melt the snow underneath, but it bridges over it, and so you got this big old bridge up there of pillars of snow and stuff where the heat tape in between the heat tape, so it's not taking it all down. And so since the back door, the water heater is right there by the back door, and it's got the garden hose fitting to drain the water heater tank. Gee, I can put this on here. I can put this on the water tank, and I can get hot water and just go out there and hit the snow up there with the bridges and make it all collapse on the heat tape so it finishes melting. And so that'll make things a little bit easier and take a little bit of worry off of buildup of weight there, even though it's back here near the wall here, which is a 2x6 wall. Still, I want to try to get rid of as much as possible. So that's what I got this for. And we got big snows coming in starting tomorrow night, which is actually tonight, because although right now it's Thursday night, I'll be posting this tomorrow morning after I get it all edited. So Friday night there'll be snow coming, starting to come in, and by Sunday we'll have a lot more snow. So we'll see how it works, and I'll put the camera out there and we'll video that. So just one way of getting prepared to help keep snow off the roof by using something I already have in the house here that I can just run hot water and get rid of it quick and keep the weight off the house. All right. So think outside the box to come up with solutions for your prepping problems. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, especially thermal clothing in the wintertime. And learn a new skill every month. All right. Take care, and I'll see you around.